Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to all you all. I know it's been quite a while since I've uploaded a video on here, but today we have some awesome stuff going on with the car. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Vahe. Right over there is my 2020 Toyota Supra, and if you guessed it, you can see a box in the trunk right there. Today we're gonna head over to Eastside Motoring and we're gonna install some goodies sent over by the guys at FIExhaust. So, without further ado, I'll see you guys at Eastside. Alright, so we just arrived at Eastside Motoring in Waltham. We're gonna drop off the Supra right now. Actually, it's being picked up as we speak and being taken into the garage to get prepped for the downpipe install. Let's go inside, catch up with the guys, get everything else set up, and then I will meet you guys back towards the car to start prepping the Supra, show you what the aftermarket downpipe looks like and what the stock downpipe looks like, and I'll see you guys inside. Last time you'll hear it with just a catback, stock downpipes. That's in comfort mode. Probably won't rev it right now in sport, but here she goes. Going in to get prepped to have surgery, getting downpipes installed. I'll see you guys inside. Bye bye, beautiful. See you soon. Alright, so we're back inside. Car's on the lift getting prepped for the downpipe install, but while the guys are doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the package from FIExhaust to show you exactly what I got for the Supra, so you can see what's getting installed today. So let's go ahead and move on with that. So I messed up and didn't bring my tripod because I was in a hurry this morning, so I'm gonna try and set this up somehow. Beautiful looking downpipe from FIExhaust. You can see in there is a 200 cell catalytic converter in here as well. So I chose to go with the catted version. Sorry about the noise in the back. So I chose to go with the catted version because here in Massachusetts, unfortunately, the inspection laws are pretty strict. So for now, we're going with the catted, and we will have it tuned later on. That'll be for another video, but we'll install this, see what it sounds like, hoping it will be a little louder than it is right now, and then we will go from there. But for now, catted downpipe by FIExhaust. Thank you so much to the guys at FI, Patrick, Alan, everyone over there. Huge thank you for getting this to me really quickly. Can't wait to get this installed, see what it sounds like, and just get some gains out of this thing. It's about time, right? All right, let's go. Got the catback on here. You can see install video. Put a link up here or a card up here if you want to take a look at that, and sound clips of that. Sounds mean. Go check it out. There's a stock downpipe right here to get replaced. So you can see it's a lot more restrictive than the frequency intelligent one, even the catted one. So can't wait to see what it sounds like. Oh, and right up there, you can see it, the turbo right up there, little focus. You can make that out right there. Bless you. Thank you.
putting the O2 sensors on now.
Yeah.
When I put the air filter back on.
Cool.
Took the air filter out so I could get more access to it.
How was it? Was it easy to get everything? Yeah. You pull it out from up here, or did you pull it out from down from the under?
Yeah. I just took the air filter so I could get access to the O2 sensors.
Gotcha.
I didn't want to pull it down
and then take it off. All right, so I decided not to pretty much show you the full install of the downpipe. I don't think any of you will really care to see that. It's super easy. There's a bunch of other videos out there. So I'm going to just show you the after effects of what the exhaust looks like on the car. So we're putting it back on right now. Downpipe's already on. That looks so good. Alright, so once it's fully bolted up, everything is checked and tested, we'll basically start the car up and hear it for the first time. We gotta let it warm up a little bit, let the cats warm up a little bit before the baffle's fully open and we can really hear this thing pop and burble, just how the way the car works. So stay tuned, next shots should be of the car coming down, first startups with the downpipe on and some revs. Downpipe is pretty much on. Shouldn't trigger a code, not certain yet, so once everything goes on, and of course this is without a tune on the car yet, gonna have to drive it for a little while, monitor the car, see if anything pops up, if any check engine lights come on or any CL codes come on, but we'll deal with that when the time comes. Everything underneath the car still looks pretty spotless. I haven't driven the car in salty or sandy or snowy conditions. We'll see what happens, and hopefully no codes pop up once everything is done and done. I am planning on getting the car tuned, so that's for another date, another time, but in the meantime, I still want to drive the car, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Here's the stock downpipe. Look at this beefy boy. Thing's huge. Huge cats right here. Should be higher flowing cats on the FI downpipe, so should breathe a bit better, the throttle response should be a bit better. Not that it wasn't bad, but, and it should sound a bit better, so. All right, so everything is back on the car. We're gonna start up the car now for the first time and hear what it sounds like with the frequency intelligent catted downpipe on. See you there.
Jesus!
Oh my god, that sounded so insane. Holy crap, those cracks and popples were ridiculous. They were like quadruple, I don't even know the words, but goddamn, that's pretty much what it sounded like. Holy crap, I can't wait to hear this thing under load when I take it out. Just as a comparison, here's a clip with car stock, sport mode. Here's a clip with the car with just the catback in sport mode. Here's another clip or replay of the car with the full turbo back on. Oh my god, so nasty. Oh, I freaking love this thing. Awesome product by Frequency Intelligent. Awesome product. I can't wait to take this thing on the road. It sounds amazing, it looks beautiful. The guys here were even saying this thing's built so well. We're just doing some final checks right now, making sure everything is good. There's no leaks or anything like that. And then obviously the check engine code checks will have to be done Basically just have to monitor to make sure nothing pops up, so stay tuned. You look good in that car, Brian. Alright, so Brian, as you can hear, is doing his due diligence, making sure everything is okay, doing the quick test drive, post the install of the downpipe. Here we go, actually. Let me stop talking. That's crazy. You can hear that turbo spooling. I'm actually really surprised and really impressed that the turbo spool is pretty loud, even with the catted downpipe. How'd it do?
Pretty good. I feel it.
You feel it?
You'll feel it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, we're leaving Eastside Motoring right now. Huge thank you again to everyone at Eastside Motoring, and thank you to FIExhaust for getting me this amazing downpipe. Now we're gonna go take the car for a personal test drive. I got GoPro mounted on the back so you can hear the exhaust pop and crackle while I'm driving, and let's just see what this thing's like. So enough of me talking. Enjoy the next few clips of the car and the exhaust. Let's go. Alright, so I just pulled over after a few quick drives. This car sounds so absolutely incredible. I forgot to put in a GoPro in the cabin to see, so you can see all my reactions, but basically I was jumping up and down. You may even be able to pick it up in the GoPro from the exhaust area. I was that loud and giddy. The pops and burbles are insane. It's so much better than just a catback or even stock. It's so worth doing a turbo back, even a catted turbo back. It sounds phenomenal, and so one thing I definitely did notice is the throttle response is definitely sharper. For sure it's sharper. My mind may be playing tricks on me. I can definitely feel it's a little peppier and it's a little quicker. I haven't gone full throttle or anything crazy like that just yet, but initial impressions, the car definitely seems quicker. The throttle response is definitely more touchy, which is kind of nice, and that's in sport mode. Really haven't done anything in comfort mode. What's the point, right? I want to hear this thing and I want to feel what it's supposed to be like as a sports car. So anyways, those are my reactions. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. Got so much more Toyota Supra content coming very soon. And I want to give a huge thank you to Eastside Motoring for taking the time and basically squeezing me into their schedule, getting this downpipe installed really quickly and doing a very thorough job as always. Check them out if you have anything automotive related, any tuning, any questions, you name it. I'll put a link to their website down below. Also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to the guys at Frequency Intelligent Exhaust, Alan, Patrick, everybody there that I'm forgetting to mention. You guys are awesome. This product is absolutely incredible. I will do a full thorough review of the exhaust and the product and how I feel about it and what I like about it, and basically just more in depth on the actual product itself. But initial impressions, this thing is phenomenal. The part was made beautifully. Just speechless right now. I'm gonna get back in the car. I'm gonna keep driving. Basically just enjoy the moment right now. It's a beautiful day out, so I'm gonna stop talking. You all have a great day. See y'all next time. Peace.